This part, I'm just going to talk about character stuff real quick. So the illustrations that I tend to draw tend to have like a human element very present in the center of them a lot of the time. They tend to be the focus of my paintings most of the time because it gives a way for the viewer to really connect with the space that the character is in. And I think once they form that connection, it makes everything around it that much more impactful. There's not much theory or much else to pick apart with this. It's mostly just a understanding that a character exists in this space and that they are more than just another piece of like a stage play or something. You don't want to make them look like whatever they're looking at or whatever is outside of the scene is actually fake and it's cardboard, right? They want to look like a person that exists in that place, and understanding that and drawing a character that represents that understanding is what's going to not just sell the idea that you're trying to paint, but also the sense of space. So I keep that in mind a lot when I'm painting illustrations like this.